Hey there, it's Mike from Exotic Fishing Thailand. Try to catch something on the float rig this afternoon. I'm going to start by putting some bait balls out to attract the fish. Okay, I'll see you later. You go for a swim. Okay, so we put the bait in first, get the fish all focused in one area. We've got the float rig. There's a stopper that sets the depth. This is a wire cage feeder with lom, which is a rice powder, byproduct of rice, mixed with water to the right consistency and pressed onto the feeder. So the plan is that as we throw this out, a lot of small fish will come around and the predators will come and eat the small fish, like the whole school of small fish in one shot. Or we'll catch a carp or a Mekong catfish that are just feeding on the lom, the rice powder itself. So let's pop it out there and see what happens. I like the second cast best. It was closer to where I was putting the balls, so that's the right rod. Let's see which one goes off. The left rod's actually submerged. Oh, it's come up. Okay. I was getting worried for a minute. There we go. Oh, came off. Oh. So we had a hit on the left rod. Oh. And there's the right rod. Okay, Exotic Fishing Thailand hooked up. Missed it on the first rod. Got to hook up on the second. It's feeling like, got a strange feeling to it, like it's a pacu or maybe an alligator gar, but it was a little bit fast up the take for an alligator gar. Time will tell. Now it's got the shake of an Arapaima. I don't know if you can see the rod here, it's doing one of these shakes, so it's definitely an Arapaima. Okay, Black. You want to move this rod pod and just check the video that everybody can see what's happening. Video okay? Okay, so basically what we said happened. I can see the fish out there up on top now, shaking its head. We put the small balls out first. We got the fry all excited. The fish came in, started feeding. And as we cast both rods out, we had a hit on the left rod. We missed it, and then it took the second rod, so. It's been a long run. It's up on top of the water already. Shaking its head. This fish is, I think it's definitely been hooked before because it's really trying to shake that hook. Whoa. Not a happy fish. I've said this on prior videos. It's nice to keep your rod, let your arm be more like a shock absorber for the rod. If you hold it too stiff, you're just going to pull the hook. You can't tell how big the fish is. It's a long way out. Gonna need net. That's okay. We've got some kids here. So we've just whistled to get another guide to come over to help with the cage. That's okay, let it go. Michelle's got some friends over, so everybody wants to see the big fish. Feels like a good fish. I'll be ready for a swim after this. Fishing guy coming. You're gonna have to move a little bit quicker than that. Leo, cup. Big fish coming. We'll get a close look at it in a minute.
The big fish coming. Have a look.
Some savage head shakes. Wow.
Patrick, you look. Harvey. Look the fish, you see? We know.
Yeah, big fish coming, guys.
See the big fish coming?
Hopefully coming anyways. Wow, the head shakes of this fish are crazy. It's literally trying to rip it out of my hand every time he shakes his head. See the feeder in his mouth. Oh, see that, guys? See him jump?
What kind of fish is
It's a
that?
Platon Amazon.
Platon Amazon. Go look.
Oh, Amazon is from the
river.
Amazon.
Not a happy fish, this fish. Quite angry. Oh, up
Hit
now,
my
up
shoe.
now.
It's okay. How big is that?
Okay, let's get a close up of the fish. Okay. turn him the right way up, guys. There we go. Okay.
I don't want to fall into the water.
He won't eat you. He won't eat you though. Don't worry about him. There we go. Beautiful Arapaima on the float rig. He's probably over 60 kilos. Over 60 kilos.
Wow, that's like heavier than me, like 2 times.
Almost 2 times. Yeah.
I'm 30 kilo.
You're 30 kilo. Wow.
I'm 35.
Boy, oh boy. Okay, so Lex is going to work on getting the hook out. Exotic Fishing Thailand, beautiful Arapaima. Some visitors coming by to say hello. Hello, everybody. Swadee Kap, Swadee Kap. Okay, Exotic Fishing Thailand.